Hello everyone. Today's topic is a non-access modifier. Modifier are keyword that let the uh, tune access to the our class and members, their scope and behavior in a certain situation. Modify keyword within a written before the variable, method and class type of the name to access that. For example, public, private, protected, and modifier in a Java into one to two groups: access and non-access. Access means that public, static, public, private, and protected. Non-access means that static, final, abstract, synchronization, and volatile. That means native and native. Native is non-covered in the more details before, since a simple keyword implemented in the other language, not in a Java. It works together to the Java native interface. It is used when want to the right performance critical section of code in more importance friendly language like that C. Non-access modifier is that this non-access these types of modifier to the control variety of things such as inheritance capabilities. All object our classes share the same members value how we have to the those members where values those members whether to the method can be override. A brief overview of this that can be found at the following modified overview. Static. The member first one is a static. The member belongs to the class, not be object that created. And final. A variable can be variable values does not change to the final keyword. Then after that to assign the value to the final. Abstract. In abstract to the method, it has to the implemented as subclasses is applied to the class contains abstract. Synchronize that can be used as controlling to the threads to use that the synchronize keyword. Volatile, the variable values that always read from the main memory, not from the thread's memory. Next, first one is a static modifier. Static modifier does not create to the object to the class that can be accessed at the automatically to the class. Variable declare that the static are the sharing among all the object of class and essentially belong to the classes itself. Next one is a variables and method. Variables mean that can be declared as the data type, and methods declare as the return type of void to use that. Static method it can be accessed to that it can be used that the static variable and call that the static methods cannot be referred to the this as super keyword. Static variable for variable we can static want to be variable common shared from the object all object. Static methods, the most common static there are also static blocks. Static blocks get executed to the only ones when the classes first inserted a first member function has been called as a even. The keyword of final can be used to define the value to the constant does not change to the after that assigned to the value or values or variables to the final to prevent the method from being the override. And Thank you.